Ang daming naka-relate dun sa nangyari kay Esner ano, yung hindi siya pinili ng mga kapwa housemate. Sa totoong buhay nangyari naman talaga yun, eh. So, nagulat lang ako ng dahil parang naka-relate. Ngayon pag-usapan natin yun. May nabasa ako ditong caption na nagsasabing, "A friend to many is a friend to none." Actually, totoo yun. You know why? Maraming mga tao ang naging katulad ni Esner or until now, katulad pa rin niya na siya yung pinakamasaya, lapitin, maraming friends. Yeah, isa ako dun. I was also in his shoes before. Doon pala sa napanood ninyo, let this be a constant reminder na hindi lahat ng mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo tunay na kaibigan. In this cruel world, ang masasabi ko lang, hindi talaga lahat ng mga nakapaligid sa'yo ay masaya talaga para sa'yo. Lagit lagi may sasabihin sa'yo. Lagi may side comments. Hindi mo alam pinag-uusapan ka na pala. Ikaw pinagtatanggol mo sila. Pero yun pala, ikaw hindi pala ganoon ang kapalit. So, dapat be careful on that. So, mayroon tayong mga types of friendship. May mga friendship na sasaya lang nandyan. Pero pag halimbawa, many times that you need them to be emotionally supportive, wala na sila dyan. Meron namang mga friends dyan who are traitors. Yeah, they befriend you because they want to be like you. They want something, an idea of you, but they are never happy for you. They always try to mimic you. They always have the urge to bring you down. And then there are also genuine friends. Napaka-rare niyan. If nakahanap kayo ng mga genuine friends, keep them and always reciprocate them 100% of yourself. So how to spot a true friend? So actually, walang proper way to spot a red flag sa friendship. Lalabas at lalabas yan eh. There will be the right time na madidiscover mo na yung mga friends na nasa paligid mo is hindi naman pala tinuturing kang friend. And that's okay. It's okay na maranasan mo na masaktan. You know why? From that pain na naramdaman mo, doon lalabas yung strength or doon ka matitrain on how to prevent that next time. This is just a gentle advice to everyone. There will be a time that you have to face your battles in life alone. So a friend is just there as part of your instrument to be a better person. They become God's instrument for you to be better. But do not rely on them. Especially when the time comes na walang pumili sa'yo. If wala man pumili sa'yo, always choose yourself. Dapat ang goal na natin sa buhay ngayon is kung paano may improve ang ating sarili. Financially, yung ating career, yung ating mga plans for the future. Dapat yun na lang ating focus ngayon. And also, reinventing yourself to be a better version of yourself. If you are busy building yourself for the better, you will attract the right people that has the same energy as you. So this is just a friendly reminder from me, from Coach Ian. Bye!